Here's another ulam idea na super daling gawin, pero mararamdaman mo na parang fiesta. Parang may special occasion dahil napakasarap and lasang pang fiesta. Let's cook chicken hamonado. So, ganong kadaling gawin to? I'm going to turn on the kalan, the flame. And then, meron lang ako ditong chicken. I'm using chicken quarter. So, yung legs to and yung thigh, pinaghiwalay lang namin. O, diba? Kasi pinaghiwalay. Hindi, para kasi hindi masyadong malaki. Para pang ulam talaga. And then, what I'm going to do here, ilalagay ko lang dito sa pan ko or dito sa brazier, I'm going to put my onions. Hindi ko na po nilagyan ng mantika yan. My garlic. So, yan yung pinaka-bed. And then, ipila mo lang yung chicken mo. Ipipila ko siya skin side down para medyo mag-caramelize yung balat. Eto, kung gusto mo pa siyang hatiin, pwede mo ding hatiin. No problem kung masyadong malaki yung chicken thigh. Kasi di ba normally ang hamonado, we use pork. But of course, chicken is very versatile and hindi naman kikibo ang manok. So pagkatapos niyan, ibuhos mo yung vinegar. This is just white vinegar. Ito lang yung mga easy ulam ideas. Yung wala kang maisip, gusto mo ng madaling ulam, push. This is just soy sauce, salt, brown sugar, kasi nga hamonado. Actually, ang recipe kasi talaga nito, yung chicken hamonado uses whole chicken, buong manok na hinahamonado. Para di ba festive, parang pag Pasko, pag fiesta, yun yung naka-display doon. But of course, for everyday cooking, hindi naman advisable na may isang buong manok ka. Mas matagal din maluto yon. So ito, mas mabilis-bilis. Black pepper, you can also use chili flakes, yung red pepper flakes, kung gusto mong mas pungent yung anghang. Bango. And of course, pineapple juice. I have here 2 cups of pineapple juice, pero ang ilalagay ko muna is mga 1 cup, just enough to cover the chicken. Ayan. Ito, inumin mo na lang. Or, just leave it there. So now, what you want to do here is, pakuluan mo muna, bring it to a full boil. Yung kulong-kulo siya, okay? Kulong-kulo. And then, hihinaan mo yung apoy. I'm going to braise this for around 30 to 40 minutes or until mag-caramelize yung brown sugar and the pineapple juice. So the sauce will become nice and thick. And then later, I'm going to show you another secret that I do on my hamonado para mas lasang espesyal talaga siya. Meanwhile, pakuluin muna natin. Now that it's boiling, medyo i-shake-shake mo lang, making sure na nakalubog lahat ng meats, part ng chicken mo. Feeling ko, hindi ko maiinom to. Ibubuhos ko talaga yung 2 cups. And then, isi-simmer lang natin yan with the lid ajar. Ayan, may konting butas. Di ba? Pinapasosyal ko pa kasi. Na medyo nakasiwang yung takip. Okay? Again, in English, you're going to simmer it with the lid ajar. Diba? Social pakinggan. O, parang sasabihin mo sa anak mo, okay, iwanan mo lang na ajar yung takip. Charot. So, iwanan natin to for around 30 to 40 minutes. Hihinaan ko din yung apoy. I put it to medium and then balikan natin yan. Okay, so I want to show you now ang itsura ng ating hamonado. So, yan, makikita mo, natutuyot na siya. And the sauce has thickened. By now, pwede mo nang hinaan na lang yung apoy And as you can see, what I'm doing here, I'm chopping some canned peaches. Ito yung ihahalo ko dyan. Kasi di ba normally we put pineapples. Pero para mga iba naman, kasi peaches is very festive, di ba? Nagpi-peaches tayo kapag Pasko. Naku, natatakot ako baka mahiwa ko sa lata yan. Or pagka fiesta. But what I'm going to do here, to enhance the flavor, ito toast ko yung peaches. Ibro-broil ko. So I have here an oven. Ibro-broil ko lang for around 5 minutes. And then, as you can see, our hamonado is nicely tender. You can do final seasoning. So, nakukulangan ka sa alat, nakukulangan ka sa tamis. Now is the time to do your final seasoning. Just a splash of fish sauce. And then, lagyan ko lang ng konting carrots na sliced. And bell pepper. Let the steam cook that. Okay. So, this is our toasted peaches. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano mo isi-serve yan ng bongga. So, fiesta style. Okay. And then this is our sauce. Your sweet hamonado sauce. Nasan? And kung pang fiesta, pabonggahin mo, you can put peaches. Okay, festive na itong aking chicken hamonado. Look, akalain mo bang pinagsama-sama mo lang yan sa isang kaserola, pinalambot, pinalapot, nilagyan ng peaches, at ayan na, pang fiesta. Diba? Let's try. Ito na lang leg part ang kukunin ko. And of course, isama mo yung mga peaches na yan. Hindi yan nandyan lamang for decoration. Tikman natin yung chicken muna. Kaya ako pumipikit kasi nilalasahan ko, ayan. Oh my gosh. Kapit na kapit yung lasa. Hanggang dun sa loob. Kasi di ba normally, chicken legs, chicken thigh, yan yung parang, ay, kakapit ba yung lasa? Di ba yan yung normally, hindi ko makapit yung lasa hanggang loob. But this one, ay nako. Isa pa. But of course, lagyan mo ng sauce. Pero aaminin ko ha, pang-ulam talaga. Kailangan mo ng kanin. Now, with the peaches, baka sabihin nyo, inaksaya ko ang peaches pang garnish. No. Perfect na perfect to. Nag-burst yung flavors, yung freshness. Ang sarap-sarap. This is definitely a must-try. So what are you waiting for? Gumawa ka na ng chicken hamonado and I'm going to see you all soon.